Hey guys, Kimmy here from Joyfully Styled. Today I'm bringing you something a little bit different than normal, and I'm teaching you how to curl your hair with my first ever YouTube tutorial. So if you would like to learn how to create this easy, beachy, effortless wave, just keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to do is brush through my hair to make sure there are no tangles before I start curling it. I'm using my wet brush here, which is amazing because it gets all the tangles out without pulling and tugging on your hair. After my hair is brushed and tangle-free, I'm using my dry bar clip to section off my hair so I can begin curling the lower half of my hair. Once my hair is clipped up, I take my curling iron, which is the Hot Tools curling wand that's 1 1/4 inch, and I take a section of my hair and curl it away from my face. I hold it for about 10 seconds and then let the curl go. The way I achieve the beachy, effortless looking wave is by leaving about 1 to 2 inches of hair out at the bottom of my curl. The straighter ends make the hair look more undone, which is what I'm going for. The next piece of hair that I take, I'm curling towards my face. I like my curls to go every other direction so it won't turn into one giant curl. Curling it every other way will give your hair more body and texture. I repeat the exact same process on the other side, taking the first piece and curling it away from my face, and taking the second piece and curling it towards my face. Once I let the curl go, I like to catch it in my hand to let the curl cool down a little bit, while still keeping its shape. I find that this little step helps keep my curls intact for longer. Once I have completely finished curling the first section of my hair, I like to spray a little hairspray on the curls to make sure they don't fall out. This Way hairspray is super lightweight, so it doesn't make your hair feel starchy, and it smells incredible. Next, I take down another layer of hair to begin curling the second section. I'm going to repeat the exact same process as before, taking the first small section of hair and curling it away from my face, and then alternating directions with each curl. I'm going to zip through this part because you know the drill by now. For the last section of my hair, which is the top layer, I'm going to curl each piece away from my face. I never alternate the direction of the curls on the top layer of hair. That's just personal preference, but I think it looks better when the top layer is all curled away from your face. The front piece of hair is the most important. I never want a super tight front curl, so I take a thicker piece of hair and lightly wrap it around the iron so it has a slight bend to it. When I completely finish curling my hair, I like to run my fingers through it and smooth it out a little bit. Then I find sections that need a little more love and I recurl them. I like it to look a little bit more curly on top, so when I go to recurl them, I'll take smaller sections so the curl will be a little bit tighter. One of the many reasons why I love this hairstyle is because you can run your fingers through it, you can mess it up. I do not like having starchy curls that can't be messed with, so if you don't like that either, then you will absolutely love this hairstyle. Once I'm finally done messing with my hair and it's exactly how I want it to be, I'll spray a little bit more hairspray in it, just to keep it in place. And now for my absolute favorite part, the texturizing spray. This stuff by Orbe is literally a miracle worker. It's amazing, it smells incredible, and it just adds so much volume and texture in your hair, which is exactly what I want for this hairstyle. Once you spray it exactly where you want to make sure you really rub it into your scalp to activate it. I love this stuff so much that I literally don't need to wear perfume when I wear it in my hair because it smells that good. Finally, I'll add a little bit more hairspray. I like to put a little hairspray in the front bang area just so that completely stays where I want it to be. And then you are done. I hope you loved this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials from me, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out my blog, joyfullystyled.com, for more fashion and beauty tips from me.